Hello, welcome to EduSkill Harvest Institute YouTube channel.
In this video, we are going to learn about Quick Access Toolbar. So where is this Quick Access Toolbar in Excel? If you press Alt in the keyboard, you can look at above the ribbon 1, 2, 3. So this is Quick Access Toolbar. So when you will be using Quick Access Toolbar, as the name denotes, Quick Access Toolbar means you are able to quickly access the tools which are inside the ribbon. So there are various ribbons and you may be forgetting that where is a certain tool in a ribbon. So for your easy reference, what you can do, easy use, you can customize those tools which you are frequently using to this Quick Access Toolbar. Right, so now what I am doing, I'll again put escape, again I'll press Alt, so it is getting activated here. So I just right click here, and here you can notice customize Quick Access Toolbar, remove Quick Access Toolbar, show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. Right, so there are two places it can display. So now I'll say below the ribbon, I'll click this, the third option. So now you can find that when I press Alt now, you see the Quick Access Toolbar has come below the ribbon, right? So who should be using below the ribbon? The persons who are frequently using only the mouse, not the keyboard, right? So for them, the access will be easy. For the keyboard guys, it is better if it is in the top. So why I am saying what is the advantage if it is in the top? For example, now if it is in bottom, you are able to see only 21 rows of data. So if I bring this in the top, so I will say show Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon. So now 21 rows. Now you see you are able to see 23 rows of data, right? And if you wanted to see even more number of rows, what you can do, you can actually double click on any of the ribbons. Suppose home ribbon, I am double clicking, then the ribbon gets collapsed and you can even see up to 27 rows. So how to get back the tools? Again, you can double click on any of the ribbon. Home, it will again come. So if I am double clicking on one ribbon, it gets collapsed. And if I double click on the ribbon, again the tools will show. Okay, now let us come to Quick Access Toolbar. So what is the where we can actually use this Quick Access Toolbar? Now by default you have here save, undo, redo, right? So save, we know that Control S, and undo Control Y, and redo, sorry, Control Z, undo, and Control Y is redo. So there is no need of these things being put. So we will remove this and we will put the actual things, right? Like for example, paste values, right? Now example, I have here the formulas. So now if I wanted to remove the formulas, what normally we do, we actually copy. After copying, right click, paste special, values. Okay, so to some 4 operations we are doing. So I don't want to do 4 operations and waste time. So what I will do, I will take the paste values and I will put it into Quick Access Toolbar. Let us learn how to put quick access into the paste values into Quick Access Toolbar. So first you right click on the Quick Access Toolbar which is in the top of the ribbon. So right click and you say customize Quick Access Toolbar, customize Quick Access Toolbar. So when you say customize Quick Access Toolbar, this wizard will come. So here you can actually see here in this place, first what we will do, we will remove this save, undo, redo, not required because Control Z, Control S, Control Z and Control Y, so I don't want. So I will say remove, remove, remove. I have removed all the tools. Now here I wanted to get the paste values, right? So what I can do is here in this place, popular commands is there. If I click here, I have popular commands, commands not in the ribbon, all commands, macros. So now let us see commands not in the ribbon. I'll just click that, commands not in the ribbon, and I'll click here and I'll say P. I'll type P in the keyboard and I wanted to see paste values. You just see here, I have here paste values. Okay, so now I am adding this paste values to this. So now I'll say OK. Right. So now if I press Alt, the 1 is here, paste values, right? It is disabled. Why? Because once we copy only, the paste values will work, right? So now I want to remove the formulas here, right? So if I'm keeping the mouse here, you can see the in the formula bar formulas are there. So I wanted to remove. So I will take the range. Okay, all this I wanted to remove. So first I will copy. So after copying, I will not right click, paste special values. Okay, I will not do like this. I will say Control Z. Instead of that, what I will do, I will first copy. After that, Alt 1. If I press, now the paste values have happened. That is, the formulas have been removed. Now I have saved time. Instead of after copying, right click, paste special values, enter 4 operations. I have done by one operation, that is Alt 1, right? Or else you can, I'll say Control Z. So if people are using mouse, so what you can do after copying, I'll say copy, and you can take the mouse and go here and click the paste values, right? So this is one way, right? So now this is the first way of customizing quick access toolbar. The second way of customizing the quick access toolbar is if there are tools readily available inside the ribbon. For example, you wanted to take printout. Let us say we want to take printout. I'll say Control P. So now it is taking the entire file here, right? Now I'll escape. I wanted only 4 lines to be printed, so I have taken the range. If I wanted only this much, what I should do, I should go to page layout, and after that I have say print area, and after that set print area. That means 3 operations I have to do. I am wasting time, so I wanted to save time. So what I can do, I can use the quick access toolbar. So now how I can customize quick access toolbar? Whenever there are readily available tools in the ribbon, what you can do, you can just right click and you say add to quick access toolbar. What you can say, you just go there and add to quick access toolbar. If I click that, it has come and taken the position as 2. Now if I press Alt, look at it is there 2. So now what I will do, I will press Alt and I will press 2 in the keyboard. Now set print area, it has done. Now if I press Control P, now you see only this much actually taken as print area, right? So like this, it all depends on your requirement. You look at whatever work you are doing and which tools you feel to be put in quick access toolbar so that you can save time. Based on that, you can put it, right? And not only that, you can right click, I'll say customize quick access toolbar once again. So here, if you wanted this set print area to be up and paste value to be down, you can actually use these things. Now here I click this set print area, and if I click this, it will go up, it will move up. So whichever order you wanted, you can actually do that, right? So there are 2 ways of customizing quick access toolbar. One, you have to right click and say customize quick access toolbar and come to this wizard, and either you can choose all commands or you can choose commands not in ribbon. And if commands which are there in the ribbon, so what you can do, you need not actually take this long procedure. You can straight away come like this, page layout and print area and set print area, just right click and add it to the quick access toolbar. So in this way, if you are having in quick access toolbar, maybe for keeping 9, 10 like that, so you can actually save lot of time. Thank you.
If you liked this video or not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button to get notification for all our future videos. Please do share this link with your friends.